Welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video, and today you're not going to miss it because this is the Audi SQ2. Now this is absolutely fantastic. It's got some great features, it's got Tech Pack Plus and a lot more, so let's get straight into it. Now, whether you live in a city or in the countryside, this is a perfect vehicle. It's the Audi SQ2. Now, finished it in that Arrow Pearlescent grey. Now it blends really nicely with the black trims that you get, the little black quattro lines that you get, and it really does stand out. Now, this is a perfect colour. It really blends nicely and it's really consistent throughout the car. So let's take a look at the front exterior features. So then around the front, this is the black edition as well. So you get the black edition features such as the blacked out logo, the big black grille, the black trim around it, the black front splitter as well. And some of these are finished in the Manhattan grey around the sides of the wheel arches. So that just adds a little bit of extra colour onto it. I really do like the design on the front. You've got the two different grills just down below and on the big grille. That really does stand out. But you've also got the black logo, the SQ2 badge really does stand out on the front, and I do like the different patterns that you get on the side that blends really nicely with the front parking sensors. So let's check out the alloys. Now then, these are the black edition alloy wheels that you get. Now these are the 19-inch 10Y spoke alloy wheels finished in the gloss black. They're really nice. I think that these are really sporty. They blend nicely with a Manhattan grey trim around the wheel as well, but the problem is they look a little bit hard to clean, especially it's hard to get your sponge in them spokes. But you do get the SQ badging on the brake calipers as well. That gives it a little bit more of a sportier feel to it, but I really do like the black alloys. Black alloys on cars are dead sporty. Zooming out a little bit more, it is a black edition, so you do get the black wing mirror. Now these are electronically foldable as well, but what makes it really cool and sporty is this badging of a quattro right there. That really does stand out and really give the Q2 a bit more of a sportier side profile. Not to mention you get the black privacy glass on the back windows, and as you can see, it's got the panoramic sunroof as well. Now this is really cool and opens up and makes it a lot more sportier again. And the design keeps getting better on the back. You've got the blacked out privacy glass on the back windows, you've got the extended roof spoiler, you've got the blacked out logo and the SQ2 badging. Now that really does stand out, especially with the new badging of the red. It really does stand out. Going down a little bit more, you've got the black trims, you've got rear parking sensors, and not to mention the quad exhaust. Now these really do look sporty and it will be defo noticeable from the back. But let's hop on the inside now. So then from the inside, you notice how much light is let in by the panoramic sunroof, really opening up the seats. Now these are the part cloth, part leather, manually adjustable heated seats. Now these have got the S-line embossed. These are dead comfy and they look really stylish for this SUV. So then this has got the S Technology Pack Pro, which means it comes with the panoramic sunroof and it's got the Sonos sound system. Now that's been upgraded from the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Now it sounds absolutely incredible. So if you love your music, you love your long trips, a defo upgrade for that. And look how much light it lets in with a panoramic sunroof. But on the standard features, you've got the leather flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel. You've got the black gear pedals just behind us, and you can obviously notice the digital display just behind that. You can press view on your steering wheel and it's got different options that you can view, whether you like the different ones to suit your driving. Just over to the left, you've got your infotainment center. Now it's not embedded on the dash, but it's just up a height, but it really does stand out. You've got the Audi Drive Select, you've got efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. So you've got them 5 driving modes, and this does come with a rear view camera, making that parking so much easier. You've got the 2-zone climate control as well, which really does stand out. There's a manual, so you've got the gear selector and the red start sign, stop and go. But what does stand out is this cool trim that you get on the interior. You've got the quattro embedded on the passenger side seats, but I really do like the interior. Like I said, panoramic sunroof, like loads of lighting, especially when it's sunny, of course. But I really do like this trim. Looks really cool. The rear view camera, always helpful to park, and I love a good old flat bottom steering wheel. So then, as I mentioned, you do have the privacy glass on the back, but you do get quite a lot of space for the Q2 headroom and knee room. It's got no centre armrest. You do get the same seat as in the front. You've got no charging cables at the back as well, so it's a little bit of a shame. If to upgrade it, I would put a centre armrest in. It's just a lot easier for your cup holders and a little bit more space for the backseat passengers to remain comfy. And you've also got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, so it's a great family SUV. So as well as the panoramic sunroof, this has got the powered tailgate, which means with one click of a button, this boot will automatically open. Now this can hold 355 litres with the seats up, which is plenty for your shopping and your golf clubs, but them seats can go down and give you 1,000 litres, which is great for them camping trips in with your family. So it does hold quite a lot, and one click of a button, it'll go back down again. Not only is it spacious and beautiful, but this can pack a punch as well, with a 0 to 62 time in 4.9 seconds. It's got top speed of 155 miles per hour, 296 brake horsepower and 295 newton meters of torque. So this can pack a punch. It's a 2-litre engine as well, so it does got quite a lot of acceleration and speed, but this is an absolute beast of an SUV. Now then, I hope you have enjoyed this brief review of the SQ2. It is an absolute beautiful car. It's powerful, it's spacious, and it's got the Tech Pack Pro. So I would get it myself if I had the money. But I hope you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you later.